Hey guys, Tony here. I actually also really wanted to thank all of you, for the continued support and stuff. We're at 2.7 thousand subscribers, which is phenomenal, right? Like, I'm still surprised that I have more than even one subscriber, which is insane. I just wanted to say thank you. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. I barely started this YouTube channel like a month or two ago, which is absolutely nuts to me. We already passed the 100,000 view mark. We already passed we already passed 1,000 subscribers. We already passed 1 million impressions, which is absolutely crazy to me. But yeah, man, thank you guys all for the support. This has been super awesome. I never thought that, I would have a bunch of people actually, listening and wanting to listen to what I have to say, really. So thank you guys all for the continued support. Looking forward to 3,000 subscribers. Hopefully we can hit 10K or 5K, sometime this year, which would be amazing. But yeah, guys, thanks for the continued support. If you guys like everything that I'm like talking about or my videos and stuff, feel free to share with anybody that that enjoys trading or wants to learn how to trade. I'm still working on that trading video. I'm gonna set up TradingView on my actual laptop on my computer, record that session, and actually like kind of release it for you guys, right? To actually show you guys how I trade and how I forecast and how I use everything, right? But that's going to be a little bit later in the future. Probably when I hit maybe 5,000, 10,000 subscribers, I'll probably release that video because I do think that is a huge golden nugget. No, I do think that, how sometimes I release golden nuggets to you guys like that, like the popularity scraper, the data scraper that's scraping Reddit, or I show you guys my algo. I'm not gonna give it out, but I show you guys what exactly is going on and stuff, or at least on the future side, how it's moving and stuff. But I will be releasing that video, maybe 5,000, 10,000 subscribers once I actually hit that. That show you guys exactly how I'm actually trading, right? And I think it'll help an insane amount of people make money, because I know I've already helped make people on my channel like literally hundreds of thousands of dollars just collectively, right? So I think it's absolutely insane, the fact that everybody is making so much money, which surprises me. I have had people ask me about starting a Discord. I don't know if I'm actually going to start a Discord. It takes a lot of time. I don't have a lot of time. I have my work, which takes a lot of time from my part. You guys know I just had a baby, and then I also, I have a bunch of things going on the side, so it's kind of hard to start another Discord and kind of focus on that, But if my YouTube actually grows to a point where, I can leave my job and stuff and do this full time, then 100% I'll probably start a Discord and really start helping people out and stuff, or really just kind of like look that over. I don't know. We'll see, right? But that's way in the future, right? I mean, we barely at 2.7 thousand subscribers, which is insane. But I just don't have the time right now, right? But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you. The fact that we're closing in on 3,000 subscribers this fast, and I just started about a month and a half ago on YouTube, is insane to me. So thank you guys for the continued support. I'll keep making videos as long as you guys keep watching them. And I really appreciate like all the support from everybody on here, man. Really, thank you.